Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful wide variety of design ideas that how you can create your own face mask by following very easy, simple hand embroidery patterns that are absolutely eye-catchy and mesmerizing. So friends, now without wasting any further time, let's begin. But before, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest update and uploads of my channel. And friends, on my channel you can get all sort of amazing, trending and beautiful design ideas related to women fashion. So friends, if we talk about the embroidery patterns, then these embroidery patterns are very simple and easy, and at the same time you can also use these patterns as a 3-in-1. That is, you can use these patterns for hand embroidery as well as you can use these patterns for machine embroidery, and the third way is you can use these patterns for fabric painting as well. So friends, as you have heard before in my videos, into which I continuously used to encourage my YouTube friends and family members, my YouTube viewers, to please make a habit of making or trying my designs and leaving massive comments on my videos so that I could get to know how about you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, try these patterns. These masks are absolutely soft, lightweight with decent and delicate embroidery patterns with very easy hand embroidery stitches required. Absolutely favorable for beginners and embroidery artists. So once again, take care of yourselves and stay blessed. Meet you soon in my new content.